Using time tracking data to plan future projects is a game changer for improving your workflow and efficiency. By leveraging the insights from how you've spent your time on past projects, you can forecast more accurately, allocate resources better, and even improve your team's productivity. The first step is to analyze the time data you've collected. Most time tracking software will break down your hours by task or project, so take a close look at where you're spending the most time. Are certain tasks consistently taking longer than expected? This insight can help you identify potential roadblocks for future projects. If you notice patterns where things take longer than anticipated, it may indicate that processes need to be refined or resources need to be adjusted. Next, look at the time you spend on tasks that were completed ahead of schedule. This is just as important as identifying delays. Can you replicate this efficiency? What factors contributed to finishing early? Maybe it was a specific tool, workflow, or even the way the team was structured. These are the kinds of insights that can make future projects run even more smoothly. Now, compare your track time against project estimates. If the actual time spent is significantly different, this is a key signal to refine your future planning. This data helps improve your project time estimates, ensuring you set more realistic goals moving forward. Over time, this will build a more accurate picture of your team's capabilities and what's truly achievable within certain timeframes. Next, break down the data to look for trends in team productivity. Does one team member consistently perform faster than others? Or do certain tasks always take longer with specific people? Understanding these nuances will help you distribute tasks more effectively in the future. And if you're managing a remote or hybrid team, this is especially crucial as it allows you to recognize who needs support and which workflows need improvement. Another important step is to review the type of work that took the most time. Did meetings, emails, or project reviews eat up a disproportionate amount of time? Or was the bulk of your time spent on actual development work? Once you've identified these factors, you can adjust your future project plans to ensure less time is wasted on non-essential tasks. If meetings are consuming a lot of time, for example, try to streamline them or replace them with more effective communication methods. To make sure you're using the time tracking data in the most impactful way, I highly recommend using the software we've been using throughout this video. It's specifically designed to give you in-depth insights and breakdowns of how your team spends their time, and it's great for tracking historical data to inform future project planning. You can check it out in the description below, where I'm also offering an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel. Now, as a key takeaway, remember that using time tracking data to plan future projects is about continuously improving your time estimates, identifying bottlenecks, and maximizing your team's strengths. Track time carefully, analyze the data, and use it to fine-tune your approach. And don't forget to grab the free trial linked below to follow along and start optimizing your time tracking today. To recap, analyze time data to identify trends in task duration. Compare track time with estimates to adjust future planning. Review productivity patterns within your team to distribute tasks effectively. Streamline non-essential tasks to free up time for core work. Make sure to use the exclusive free trial, and thanks for watching.